This bedroom door is making this annoying spring noise for a while. Back on September 14, 2024, I made a short showing a PTFE spray solution, but now the noise is back. A viewer suggested a better method, so let's test it. So instead of the PTFE spray, we're going to use lithium grease in a syringe. Maybe that looks weird, but I'm going to inject the grease into the syringe and push it into the lock mechanism. First we have to remove the handles and the lock case. So let's do that.
Hey.
So this is what Swedish shitty doors are made out of. Fake wood and cardboard. Yuck. Here we have the lock case with all the goodies. First off, we need to inject the grease into the syringe. And this is meant for bikes, but it should work just as good as any grease. Come on. This hardly works. Maybe it's too thick. Come on. The grease is a little too thick, but you can see a little grease inside here. So let's see if this works. Yeah. Kinda. Have to get in some more. This is just too little. That's better. Loud noises! That sounds better and it feels better. I don't know if I did something wrong or this is the wrong type of syringe, but I could just get like tiny bits of grease in this. Maybe the tip is just too small. But it kind of worked. So I'm not complaining. Let's install this again and see if it sounds any better.
Mission accomplished.
And the spring noise is gone. The handle feels way smoother too, so I think lithium grease is definitely the way to go. And if the gentleman who suggested this is watching, thank you. That was a great tip. That's it for this one. I'll see you in the next video.